This is our QLQ plastic zipper gapping machine. This model is our QLQ standard configuration model. And now let's go into show this machine details for you. The output for this machine is about 4,200 pieces per hour with 16 cm size. Different size, the output is a little different. QLQ-DGM is our QLQ model. So now let's see the zipper which is from your side. This plastic zipper is from your side. In fact, this zipper also is from our QLQ injection machine, teeth injection machine. Now let our technician show us the working situation. So this is the gapping result, okay? Now our technician is going to show the working situation for us. Now this is the working situation. This is the gapping mold. After gapping, let's see the result. Let's see the result. Okay, the gapping result is very good. Now let me take the overview for you to see the working situation. Okay, if you are interested for our this machine, please feel free to contact us. If you want to see more detailed video, please also can visit our YouTube gapping plastic zipper gapping machine video list. Thank you.